lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and I hope and pray that you are all doing fine and you all are safe. So today's video is going to be a small shopping haul. Yes, I did shop from Nykaa, but this was not during their massive sale. In fact, it was a little before the actual lockdown started. So yeah, I've got these things all piled up in the box and I only just happened to open them now. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the very first item that I want to share with you all is actually a set that I picked up from my favorite brand, Plum. So I went ahead and picked up this trio set. Now if you've been watching my previous videos, you know that I have been raving about these products. Somehow this is the only skincare that I use the most and have been using religiously on and off, and it has suited my sensitive skin. So the first item from this trio set is this toner. Now the best part about this toner is that it is alcohol free. It has no kind of fragrance. I have used this toner before and it has suited my sensitive oily skin the best. So that is the reason I thought I should go ahead and pick up another bottle for myself. Firstly, it is from their green tea range. All the three products are obviously from the green tea range, and this does not give my skin any kind of tingling feeling. What I like to do is, after I cleanse my face thoroughly in the morning, I just splash a little bit on my fingertips and I just dab it into my skin, and it is a good practice which I was following for quite some months religiously, and then I lost my balance. But I again want to get into my CTM routine. So I did realize when I was doing my cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine, I could see a difference in my skin. My skin was feeling relaxed. There was no kind of irritation happening on my face. I had no kind of redness and these abrupt pimples which were coming up, and I have used this product before and I completely finished it up. That is the reason I thought I should go and pick up another one for myself. Moving on to the next item in the trio set is this moisturizer from Plum. Now you guys must have gotten fed up of hearing about this moisturizer. I have mentioned about this moisturizer in my previous videos. I really religiously use this moisturizer. I did give up in between, and again I have restarted to use this moisturizer. This is the only moisturizer that I used in this year and the previous year. Again, it is from the green tea range. It has no kind of chemicals in it. It is targeted specifically for oily skin type, which is sensitive and acne prone, which is exactly my skin. This product is genuinely a very good product and I have sung enough praises about it, but it is something that I would highly recommend if you are from the oily skin family. If your skin is sensitive to acne, this is something that you can go for. It is also a mattifying moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that I strongly suggest and recommend if you are from the oily skin family. This is a moisturizer that you're really going to enjoy. It is a mattifying moisturizer, so you do not feel any kind of oily residue onto your skin after you apply it and massage it nicely into your skin. Now the third item in this trio set is this Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I have used tubs and tubs of this night gel. It is such a light formula. It is definitely a little heavier than this moisturizer because it is to be used during the night time. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. So once you open this jar, it comes in a nice glass jar. It is light green in color. You just have this lid which you can open up, and this gel is sitting right inside. It has a nice moussey texture. Although this night gel has a little bit of a fragrance, if you are someone who gets irritated with fragrance in your skincare, then you might have to skip this. Otherwise, it is a fantastic product that you can use. This is the product that I have been using for the past year and a half. I do skip my moisturizing sometimes during the night time, but even when I skip my moisturizing, I always go back to this one, and this is a night gel that I would strongly recommend. In fact, this is the only product that I used for my nighttime skincare routine. This is a product that I've grown to love so much. What I like about it is that it is not heavy on the skin and yet it does the job, and I really do love this product a lot. Now because I picked up this trio set, I got something free from Plum. It was this cute tin box, and on opening it there were 2 hand creams in it. Now quite honestly, I didn't know that Plum makes hand creams also, but I was very pleasantly surprised, and here are the two variants. So the first one is Vienna coffee and the second one is wild cherries and kiwi. So they're decent size hand creams, easy to put it in your purse, easy to travel with. You can even keep a tube right next to your bedside. Now I think I would prefer the one which says wild cherries and kiwi. I'm not such a coffee person. I do enjoy my coffee, but I don't enjoy coffee fragrance in my skincare products. So this is what the tube looks like, and on opening it, this is what the texture looks like. Now these products are 100% vegan. In fact, all the products from Plum are 100% vegan. This one definitely has a very calming and pleasant fragrance to it. It definitely smells of kiwi. I'm not so sure about the cherries, but it's got a nice mixed fragrance of kiwi and some kind of a very sweet fragrance. I think this one is definitely going to be my favorite hand cream, at least for the next month or so. Now let's move on to something other than Plum. So I restocked on my holy grail face wash, and this one is from Neutrogena. You all know that this is the only face wash that I have been using over the years. This one is their deep cleaning foaming face wash. It is a nice lightweight creamy face wash. It doesn't break me out. It suits my skin type. Somehow I have my full faith in products from Neutrogena. I also was using their sunscreen for the longest time. I don't know why I stopped using it, but yes, this was definitely a restock. Although after getting a free sample size face wash from Plum earlier this month or the last month, I did go ahead and pick up the full size face wash. I have been using that religiously and I have been really enjoying that face wash. So I think I'm only going to switch between the face wash from Plum and this one. This one definitely is my holy grail face wash, and I always want a backup with me, and that is the reason I restocked on this one. So the next item is the shower gel from Nivea. It is from the Clay Fresh range and the variant is hibiscus and grapefruit. Now I love using shower gels and I like to switch up my shower gels from season to season. I use a different variant during the summers, a different one during the winters, a different one during the monsoons, and I really like my bathroom to have different kinds of shower gels. Although I have a few of my favorites, this one I'm sure I picked up because it was brand new at that time. It had just launched, and I do experiment with shower gels a lot, and I'm pretty sure that I picked this up because it's pink in color. It's got a lovely fragrance to it also. It's not heavily perfumed. It doesn't have a very heavy scent in it, so that is what I like about it. Also, Nivea products have never ever disappointed me. Although the past few months I have been religiously using the Medimix soap bar and I have really been enjoying it, and I think once I'm over my Medimix phase and craze, I think I'm going to get addicted to this one. Now the next item is this hair cleanser from the brand Khadi. Now this is in the variant Amla and Bhringaraj. Now the reason I picked up this hair cleanser from Khadi because I was using two of the shower gels from this brand and I totally loved it. I think one was in the variant Honey and I remember I enjoyed it so much, and the other one was the purple color shower gel. I think it was lavender if I'm not mistaken, and that also was a beautiful shower gel. Because I enjoyed those two products so much from Khadi, I thought I should definitely pick up another product from their brand. Now because I was suffering from so much of hair fall, I'm still suffering from hair fall, but after that crazy hair, when I had that long hair which was not taken care of, which was so dry and damaged, I suffered a great deal of hair fall during the past year or so, and that is the reason I wanted to give this cleanser a shot. This is specially targeted to promote hair growth, and also it claims that it would make your hair shiny. Now I haven't started to use this. As you can see, it's a seal bottle, but I'm really excited to try this. Also, it is paraben free, SLS free, so it is free from all kind of baddies. Now let's see if this product has any kind of fragrance. It is almost black in color, as you can see, and oh, it does really smell like amla inside, and I'm really quite excited to start using this one. Now the last and final item is also hair care related. I think I must have been really depressed and feeling so low about my hair fall that I went ahead and ordered a hair oil, and this one is from the brand Nykaa itself. It is from the Nykaa Naturals range, and this is 100% pure castor cold pressed oil. Now the reason I got this oil is because I have read such great things about castor oil. You can even mix it up with a little bit of olive oil, little bit of coconut oil. You could use it for your eyebrows in case if you have very fine hair, and you could even use it for your hair, of course. You could use it for your nails. Now this oil is particularly targeted to stop hair fall and promote hair growth, and also it prevents premature graying. Now the only thing that I didn't like about this oil, as you can see, I haven't even opened it, that the shelf life of this oil is pretty small and it's not even a year old. So I got it a little before the lockdown, and this month happens to be the expiry date of this oil. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to finish this oil. Now on opening, this is what the bottle looks like from the inside. The packaging, I must say, is very impressive. It's got a nice gold cap. The bottle is a nice blue purple bottle. I'm pretty sure that's not the color of the oil, but just the color of the bottle. But it's a pretty sleek looking bottle to be sitting on top of your vanity or in your bathroom. So this is what it looks like, and on opening it, there is a small cap over here. Just gotta pierce a hole out here, and then you can take the oil as per your need, and you could use it in your hair or for your nails, for your eyebrows. Now this is quite a multi-purpose oil. I just wish that it had some more shelf life, but other than that, let's see. I will have to use this product and see how it fares for me. And with that, this haul will have to now come to an end. These are the only items that I had to share with you for this haul. But before I go, I wanted to request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and family. Also, join me on Instagram. I do share detailed reviews of the items and the products that I have been using for a long time. So it would be good to connect with you all there. And before I go, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.